So right off the bat, even in eco mode, really good acceleration here. It's still swift. You're just not getting that full amount of power. And the cruise controls, you get used to them in about 30 seconds, so I like that they're easy to use. And the ride quality so far is really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the comfort mode. So the pedal is a little more eager to go as you put your foot down. And I like the graphics here as I get closer to the car in front of me, how it shows up. That is nice. Very accurate and very intuitive. So I'm going to put it into sport mode. And so far, I mean, the battery is pretty low, but it's still not as fast as I would have expected. It isn't slow either, though. It has some get up and go to it. So that's the adaptive cruise there. Then you can toggle the travel assist here. That'll be your lane centering and things of that nature. But I can't say enough how well this car drives. It's just really, really smooth. And the driving dynamics are really nice. We're gonna give it some throttle coming out of this corner. And it's very steady. When I come out of corners in my Mustang Mach-E and nail it, it tends to want to slide a little bit, which is one of my favorite things about it. But for most EV drivers, they just want something that's efficient and easy to drive. And when I came out of that corner and put my foot down, there was just a little bit of rear end slide, just ever so slightly. Nothing crazy at all like the Mach-E. But that makes it quicker out of the corner as well. So very sticky. So I will say, to toggle the regen, you just hit that and then you change it from drive to B, and the B is actually what tightens up your regenerative braking. And I actually like that mode better than the standard, because I've gotten used to regen driving an EV, and I just like this better. And for this to be a rear-wheel drive car, it really, in the Teslas and in the Mach-E's, when you go over bumps, the back end tends to be a lot bouncier than when you hit it with the front. And I'm just not noticing that on this car. And I'm really impressed by that. And I'm not sure, because I haven't been in one of these before, I'm not sure if there's a way in the settings, I would think there is, to tighten up the regenerative braking. But I'd like to be just a slight bit tighter. But it might be because I'm so used to max regen on the Mach-E's and the Teslas. And this will bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Volkswagen ID.4 Pro S.